Hey guys, Zen. I lost my voice, so it's not going to be as loud as it would be, but I decided to make a cranberry cobbler the other day, so I decided to show how I made it. So right here I'm crumpling up and making a dough. The dough is made of 4 tablespoons of butter, lukewarm, and then I added flour just until it became crumbly, but sticky enough to the point where you could mold it, like if you see right there. I am making a little dough ball, but you want it to be more crumbly, like a pastry style dough. That's a better example. That was towards the end of the dough. That was pretty much ready right there. I just added a little bit of salt, just a tad bit of salt, and that's the dough. I mean, that's it. Just a little salt, a little sugar too, about 2 tablespoons. This is the filling. I added about half a cup of water to a cup of cranberries, frozen, and a cup of craisins. I would recommend 2 cups of just cranberries, but I didn't have 2 cups, so I used 1 other cup of craisins. I used half a cup of water for that, but I had to go and add more because I needed to rehydrate the craisins. To this, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of butter and just about half a teaspoon of salt. I think I added a little bit less, like just a little pinch, just to enhance the flavor. And then you let it stir, and that takes about 10 to 15 minutes on a medium high, a soft boil, just for it all to cook and create this this very thick type of sauce, I guess you could say. Just for the filling, you want it to get pretty thick. I also added a quarter lime worth of juice. It is a little bit tart, but I wanted to try it out. This was all on a whim. I did not follow recipes, so it did come out really good with that lime. And then I cooked it at 370, weird number, and I had to do that for like 20 minutes. I would recommend 400 for about probably 10 minutes. You just want it the crust to get browned, just a little golden. I put half of it on the bottom and just sprinkled it on the top. Came out really nice. Yeah, so that's it for now. I just wanted to share this. So, alright, so if you guys have any suggestions on what I should make or want anything in particular, just comment it down below. Thank you. Have a good one.